Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, we are studying about the bio. In this subject, now our topic is alcoholic fermentation. Last time we have read about the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration and about the respiration in the plant and other things. Now we discuss about the alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation is used in the most of things. The alcoholic fermentation is occur in the bacteria. We need to bacteria for the alcoholic fermentation as a yeast, etc. In this type of the alcoholic fermentation, the respiration of pyric acid is further broken down into the alcohol. As we know, the formula of the alcohol is C2 uh, H5 and O and H. Here the C is and C is indicate the carbon, two carbon atom, and H5 indicate the five hydrogen atom and one oxygen and one more hydrogen, and also carbon dioxide is produced. As we know, the equation of the alcoholic fermentation as the pyric acid is broken down into the further alcoholic ethyl alcohol and the carbon dioxide. So that alcoholic fermentation is the completed, and the next is the lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentations is occur in the skeletal muscles of the human being and other animals. When a man doing a very hard job, like the a man's and go upside on the roof by using the stair, so alcoholic fermentation is speed up in the human body muscles. It is the physical activity. It is used in the extreme physical activities. So this also happen in the bacteria present in the milk. In this type of the anaerobic respiration, each pyruvic acid molecule is converted into the lactic acid. Here the lactic acid formula is C2H6 and the O3. Here this formula is show the carbon 2 atoms and the hydrogen 6 atom and the oxygen 3 atom. If we know, if we see the equation of this, the pyric acid is converted into the lactic acid here. Now here this topic we come to know that importance of the fermentation, why fermentation process is used by the human being, and how it's start in the universe. The when the life evolved on the earth, the early land or the water habitat did not have the any supply of the free oxygen. It means when the earth is uh, when on the earth is human being alive, and there is no thing without any bacteria in this anaerobic condition. Early organism represented and respired of the free oxygen anaerobically and got energy for their life activities. Even today, when the free oxygen is available, some organisms, including the some bacteria and some fungi, get the energy from the anaerobic respiration and or all called the anaerobes. So when there is no oxygen, only one animal can be and only one bacteria can be grow up on the universe, and naturally he develops in many other things. Human can also provide the energy to their skeletal muscles cell through the anaerobic respiration. It happens when the skeletal muscles have to work hard during the exercise, but oxygen supply cannot be increased to fulfill the demand. So scientists have used the fermentation ability to fungi and the bacteria for the benefit of the mankind. For example, the fermenting power of the bacteria are used into making the cheese and the yogurt. Fermentation in the yeast is used in the brewing products and the baking industries. Similarly, the soya sauce is and made through the fermentation by the fungus Aspergillus. So now the importance of the fermentation topic is completed here. And now we today we discuss about the alcoholic fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, and the we study about the importance of the fermentation.